Imagine dialing 911 and suddenly your call drops, or you're streaming your favorite game and right as the action peaks, your internet freezes. Frustrating, right? Now picture being the engineer behind the scenes, racing against the clock to make sure these nightmares never happen. That's the untold story of telecom giants. Building the infrastructure that keeps us connected isn't just about tossing up a few cell towers. It's a billion-dollar maze, cutting through red tape, battling zoning laws, and literally scaling mountains just to lay fiber and set up antennas. And every mile means more money, more manpower, and more pressure to get it right. But even if you've got the best network, there's a new enemy every day: cyber threats. Hackers don't sleep, and telecoms are prime targets. One successful attack could knock out service for an entire city, or worse, expose sensitive data. It's a constant arms race, patching vulnerabilities while staying one step ahead. And let's talk about spectrum. It's the invisible real estate every carrier fights for. Too little, and your network crawls. Too much, and you're paying millions for air you can't use. With the world demanding faster speeds and 5G around every corner, the scramble for spectrum is fierce. But here's the wild part. Despite all these hurdles, innovation is relentless. AI-powered networks reroute traffic in milliseconds. Drones inspect towers so humans don't have to risk their lives. And quantum encryption is making data safer than ever. So next time your call goes through or your stream stays smooth, remember, the real magic isn't just in your phone. It's in the silent, tireless work of telecom warriors fighting every day to keep the world online. Our future depends on it.